Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about First National Bank, more specifically how you can order checks for your First National Bank account. So just a little bit of background first on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check into their bank account, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have kind of an understanding of what checks are and how they're used, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else such as a bank statement for your First National Bank account that has your account number and routing number on it. The first thing you want to do is open your browser and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, Firefox, whatever browser you normally use on your phone will work just fine. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the First National Bank website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen, FNB-online.com. You can also check the description for the link to First National Bank. So the first way to order checks is going to be by logging on to your First National Bank account online. To do this, you're going to click on the login button, which is located towards the middle of the screen on the home screen for First National Bank. So you'll click on that, and that'll give you a drop-down menu where you'll select online banking for mobile devices. If you don't have a username and password yet, there's an option at the bottom that says enroll online or mobile banking. You'll click on that and then follow the instructions on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're done and you have your username and password, you'll click on online banking for mobile devices, and then that'll bring you to this page here where you can enter your user ID and your password and then click log in. Once you're logged in, you'll go to banking options and order checks online if available. Usually, banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way that you can order checks is going to be by calling the customer service phone number for First National Bank. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your First National Bank debit card, and that's probably going to be the easiest place to find the phone number. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the First National Bank website, but that can sometimes be a little bit tricky and not so straightforward to find. So if you happen to know of any other ways to find this phone number, be sure to let me know in the comments. I do also want to let you know that there is sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order your checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third way that you can order checks is going to be through third-party vendor. To do this, you'll go to google.com and do a search for order replacement checks for First National Bank. I've already got a tab open with this, and I've already typed in the search bar order replacement checks for First National Bank. What this does is it brings up several third-party vendor websites that you can use to order your checks. So you've got Checks Unlimited, Bradford Checks Exchange, and ChecksWorks, just to name a few of the many websites that you can use. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering checks online through a third-party vendor. If you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors, please also let me know in the comments section. Ordering checks this way is also where your voided check will come in handy because you'll need to have your exact First National Bank account number and routing number. So these are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I hope that you found this useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information on First National Bank.